superheroes for having us today. We love you all. We'll see you all again soon. There's an amazing band coming.